Good morning.
Yeah.
No one's bought them from the last time. I like these, they look like Kermit on speed.
I don't see them anywhere. Oh, leopard.
Are they stretchy?
No.
The girls with a passion for passion. Ooh, rats. You'll always be there for each other. Ooh, rats.
What? Yeah, I don't know. What,
France.
why is it so close? Like, why is the plot so condensed? So this is just a little update. We have found a lovely spot to swim, but unfortunately I'm not wearing the correct attire. I look like I'm about to go ride some horses because I'm very preppy. So this ain't gonna work for me, but Zoe's gonna go for a quick dip.
I'm just gonna take my clothes off and see what happens. Should I put this in my hair?
Then you can like not get your hair wet because we don't have a towel.
Dude,
Dude, are you gonna jump? Jump,
no,
jump.
because I don't want to get my hair wet.
Oh,
That's why I wore bike pants, because I knew
you just knew.
that I would be swimming today.
Oh, she's going in. Oh, she's going in. Now putting on
We are putting on our jacket.
I can't see you.
I just look like I'm wearing no pants, and that's much better. Got my 5 lychees. How many lychees you got?
4.
4. Wow. Do you know what it's time to play?
Spot Twilight?
Yeah.
Yes. Ooh.
Well, maybe they do.
Found it.
Ding, ding, ding. We have a winner.
This one is the red one too.
Sell it to me.
Okay, so here we have Girl Talk Dateline. It's a classic game of the 80s.
There's my man.
I think this one's kind of my man. I do. Will he or won't he? Is it a date? So we found this amazing pair of dungarees.
Like the painter ones? I
Yes.
think. Like, imagine this in winter, the jumper. My outfit has changed like 6 times in this vlog, but it's just the stages of swimming. Anyway, now we're gonna go back to Jade's because I've already gone for a swim and I was like, oh, I could do another swim. So,
You can borrow my togs if you want.
I'm just gonna wear these again and then I'll line this up.
Okay.
Now I'm just watching Jade clean her pool and I'm not offering any help. You're doing great, sweetie!
Hi, just an update. Going skating! We're gonna go skating. And then we're gonna go have sushi and watch a movie.
Skating montage! Wow. You're so cute. Let me just get comfortable, you know? So as you would have very briefly seen, I went to a book thing where there's a lot of books and a lot of people. And I thought that I'd just do a very wholesome small book haul and show you what I got, because to be honest I don't remember what I got and they're all wrapped up, so it's like opening presents for myself that I've already bought. I think these are from the $2.50 section, so that's like the cheaper section, and there's like prices as marked better section. Oh, incredible. Oh, there's more. The first book that I got is Butterflies of the World. Major butterfly and moth families, which is really what I wanted. I was looking so hard for a book on just moths, but you know, they just must be in very high demand. I couldn't find any. The second book that I got that's in a similar vein is this book, but this is also just a color guide. I mean, it has a lot of information, like scientific information on each of the bird types. I don't care about that, I just got it for the pictures. These last 3 books, I feel like people might be like, what? Why did you get those? But I'm very interested in philosophy and sustainability and social, cultural history and modernity. So I got this book called Postmodernity, and I actually did a lot of study on postmodernity in my uni assignment, so I just thought that I'd, you know, re-educate myself because I've forgotten a lot of the cool stuff that I learned in uni. And then I've got Personality Assessment, which is a psychology, what is it? I don't even remember what this was. I just picked it up and was like, very interesting. And this last book is called Communist Military Machine. I mainly bought this because of the pictures, because they're very, very cool looking, but I actually started reading a bit of it and it was interesting, so I thought, you know, I just read up on a bit of history, just educate myself. Another like reference book on fish. I'm really excited about this one because I often go to draw fish and then I don't even know like what to search on Google because I don't know any of the fish names, obviously, because I'm not a fish scientist. The next book I got is called Livable Cities, and it is about sustainable cities. It is a collection of essays, and I'm also really excited to read this. That's all I have to say. Goodbye.